Hey everyone, this is me Divya at the Doula Collective Retreat 2024. This has been such an amazing journey, and from our last retreat to this one, we've had purpose, we've had a direction, and I think we're looking forward to retreats every year. What an amazing way to meet people, to embody the work we do, to share laughter and a lot of feminine energy. I'm looking forward to being here next year as well, and totally enjoying the Doula Collective Retreat 2024.
Hi, I'm Divya. This is a time where the bonding in our community with our doula sisters goes stronger. We learn, unlearn, relearn, take in so many things, receive so much, and go back stronger to give back to our community and to our mums. So thank you much for holding this safe space and making it better every year. I'm already looking forward to the next one. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shabri Zo. I'm a childbirth educator and a doula, and I'm part of Doula Collective. Today we have gathered here for the Doula Retreat 2024. It's very important for us also to feel supported, and I thank everyone over here who have come up with such lovely activities which is helping us to feel grounded, to feel supported.
Hi, I'm Sonia. I'm a birth doula, childbirth educator, and a lactation consultant. We did a couple of activities like an artwork with the flow of river, a dance with the flow of river, and I really connected to that because I could feel that shift in my body. I could feel that flowing energy in my body. It was really amazing.
Hi, I'm Janvi and I'm a wellness coach. I think everybody who is a part of a childbirth community as a lactation consultant or a doula or a midwife or any kind of a support system that you're offering to a mother, I think it is very important to be part of this a strong sisterhood community that will help you to nourish each other and support. It's a safe space to come together and support each other.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Preeti Dal here from Mumbai. I am a part of the Doula retreat since past 2 days, and it has been amazing 2 days connecting with all the doulas from all over India, listening to their stories, listening to how they got into birth work, and it has been amazing 2 days. Thank you so much Divya, thank you so much Neha and the Doula Collective too for organizing this, and I am just grateful for being a part of this collective. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Rukmini from Bangalore. So I'm here for the retreat by the Doula Collective. So it was a wonderful day today that we had so many sessions that exclusively for designed for ourselves, where we connected with each other and we released and we enjoyed the sessions, and it was a wonderful day for me today. Thank you.
Hi, this is my first Doula Collective retreat that I've attended. I'm Neela and I'm from Bangalore. Thoroughly enjoyed the sessions. So there were a lot of things that we could take away, and it was a complete learning experience. And it was possible for me to meet my fellow doulas whom I've never met before. So it was like networking also. It was a beautiful, beautiful thing. Thank you, Divya, Neha, and the entire team who worked behind making this a grand success. Thank you so much for having me in this.
Hi, this is Divya from Chennai. I'm a childbirth and lactation educator, and this is my first time at the Doula retreat. It was an amazing experience to be in a room full of women who've seen so many births through the span of their career. There was so much wisdom, so much of compassion, and so much passion about what they do, and so much love with which they do their work. It was very, very inspiring for me, and I look forward to the next time already.
Hi, I'm Shamli from Bangalore. I have been part of the Doula community, Doula Collective community for more than 2 years now. I was part of the retreat last year, and I came back this year as well to meet all my beloved doula sisters, to be with them.
there are a lot of emotions that come out. As a doula, we help others, but this retreat, meeting everyone, it's been more of a personal healing for me. The activities bring out tons of emotions out of you, and it's something everyone should experience. I've been enjoying it. Thank you so much. Thanks to the entire team.
Hello, this is Sneha Bakkal from Mumbai. I'm a birth doula and I give childbirth classes. So, last was the first retreat last year, and I've been a part of Doula Collective since 2 years now, and I enjoy the process of learning. And this retreat is very special to me because from the past retreat to this, I had got opportunity to work with mothers, and this retreat is kind of healing me internally for whatever experiences I had throughout the births I have done. So, and again, the feeling to meet my mentors and the doula sisters here is amazing. So thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Madhumati. I'm a doula. So we role play and we do the hands-on doula training here. So it actually helps me to get in, think differently so that I can help and support the mother in the real time. So we did so many activities which was very interesting, and I tend to learn many things every year in this doula retreat. I'm so happy with this. Thank you.
Hi, we are back with our doula community for our second doula retreat. So this time we're back in Goa. It's really wonderful to meet the sisterhood again. Being in this very feminine space with other women, with other birth workers is extremely special to each and every one of us. And I think that birth work can get really lonely and can get hard because of the places where we work. And so, having the opportunity to connect with other birth workers in this manner, where we all hold each other, we all listen to each other, we all help each other feel safe, helps us all feel energized and go back into our work fully recharged. And I would highly recommend that if you are a birth worker, if you are a doula practicing anywhere across India or maybe the world, do come and be part of this community in some way or the other. The Doula Collective is a very, very warm, open, inclusive and comforting space for doulas.